E for Market Wizards and eManyWizard.com. Reminding traders to use risk capital you can afford to lose if you play this game. It's Monday, 19th. It's about 11:15. We're doing a few ideas with a widget, trying to help a few traders understand how to program that to get the studies you want. This is a 2-day study based on the high. We know we've taken out the low from Friday. So I put in on one of our widgets, show me the highs and lows for the last 2 days, Friday to here. Because it's a Monday, I need to go back into code and add those days in to make the offset work correctly. So this is a 2-day swing. We know that the middle back here is going to be very important today. That 27, 28 area. First things first, longs have to get back up above this breakdown. 22 area, 23. And we've said also that this 10 is a fairly big idea based on a 3-day swing. So if I want to flip between this and a 3-day average, which why wouldn't I? Then I'm going to go back to the widget and I'm going to key this in. Instead of 4 days, I'm going to put 5 because I'm adding 2 days in. Don't forget for Saturday, Sunday. So now I'm keyed into that low and I'm keyed into that high on Friday. And I'm saying all we want to know right now is where are we relative to this 3-day range. This isn't weeklies, this isn't monthlies, but this is certainly an idea. 3-day swing. Where are we? And we can tell immediately that 2710 is a big idea because in this reference, that's the middle. So for further penetration, south side shorts need to get it under the 10 and obviously then once again get it back under the 8s, Friday's lows, and under obviously today's low at 06, 6.5. So based on this, we would say if we break this, then obviously the next support target we would be looking for would be the bottom of the pipe. So we're anticipating potential support, potential resistance, potential ranges. But right now, all we know is this is the region that's being fought based on levels. And algos are going to look at this and they'll be looking the same thing. And if we broke the 2700, for example, they'd be looking down here. That 91 is next support. And I'd said earlier 95s going to be important. So it'll take time to understand these rotations. We're not going to do it in 5 minutes. It's going to take time. This whole bar was, when you look at this, there's no support built up in this bar. This was a jam. So we can come back and normally you test the middle of a big bar like that before you test the lows. So keep that in mind, that's pretty important. Recent scene of the crime had been 28.08 1/4. You guys remember that? So shorts have to keep this coming. Already had a great trade. I mean, doesn't have to do it all in one day, but to test the bottom of these swings in here, need to stall bounces and bring it back. So for now, we're going to say that's 6 1/4, very important support. Holding for now. That breaks, anything goes down here. Next is going to be the 02 to 98. That's the way I'm looking at it. Step by step.